Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by the Spanish Town railway station or the Spanish Town railway yard. Now look at these trains. These trains are actually operational. That engine, that's the yellow one, it's operational. It's owned by the Jamaica Railway Corporation. This railway station is not operational. As a matter of fact, they should demolish it and build a new one. These trains over here are operational. The yellow engine is operational. The Jamaica Railway Corporation owns the engines, they own the cars, they own the tracks, and they own the land that the tracks are on. So, I want to discuss with you guys. In some countries, people own their own railway cars and they connect them to the company engine and they draw them along the track. So, this is the railway car that's owned by the Jamaica Railway Corporation. Looks like something from the 1800s. Definitely not something that people would pay to use today. So, this is what we're suggesting. The Jamaica Railway Corporation owns the engine. So why don't they should allow people to connect private cars to the engine. That way you can get a passenger train service running in Jamaica. Now the Railway Corporation will never get the railway system in Jamaica up and running. Never. It's not going to happen. One, it's not profitable to take train service all over Jamaica again. A route like Kingston to Montego Bay, yes. From Montego Bay to Appleton Estate, which would carry tourists, yes. Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town, because of the amount of people, yes. But Kingston to Portland, certain areas just not going to make sense. And for some reason, if these are the cars that the Railway Corporation, if this is the best they can do, then maybe they should look into privatizing the passenger line service in Jamaica. In the US, companies can own cars and they connect them to the engine of a company and they pull them along the track. So let's say they were to privatize the train service in Jamaica. Not the train service, but suppose they were to allow somebody to buy a car, a modern car that has AC, internet. A company could buy, say, 10 cars. Connect them to this train we're looking at. The same train that carries the students from, say, from Spanish Town to Old Harbour. That train runs every day on a schedule, in the morning and in the evening. Now, if somebody was to buy 10 modern cars, they collect the money for the people going into the car. They charge what they want. These are passengers now. There's a schedule. Everybody knows what time the train is going to run. And that company pays the Jamaica Railway Corporation to connect their cars to this train. Remember now, the train can carry as many cars as you want. So the railway company could still use these cars to carry students. I think they carry them for free. Because I really can't imagine you're charging somebody to go into these trains. So let's say you have 5 cars carrying the students, and then behind that you have 10 cars carrying passengers. And they pay the Jamaica Railway Corporation to pull the cars along the track. Because the track is there already. The engine is going to run anyway because it's carrying the students. So that might be the simplest way to do it. Let somebody else invest in the cars and you collect a fee. Now this kind of thing is done in the US. So guys, let us know what you think, but Jamaica needs the train. Now look at the Appleton Estate tour. Very popular in St. Elizabeth. They are trying to get the train running from Montego Bay to the Appleton Estate in St. Elizabeth. The track is there already. It is owned by the Jamaica Railway Corporation. Same model can work there. Let private people buy the train cars. Luxury train cars, not these things that we're looking at. Luxury train cars where you can buy food, you can get drink, you can have AC, have internet, sit in a luxury seat. We did a video where we did a tour of inside the car, and trust me, these cars are coming from the 1800s. Let a private company own the cars. They will charge people to carry them, the tourists, to the Appleton estate, but the Jamaica Railway Corporation will own the engine because they have them already. This same yellow engine could work. You carry people from Montego Bay to Appleton and carry them back. The line is there already. And when I say the line, the railway track is there already. The JRC has the engines, but nobody's going to pay to go in these old trains. So that's one option the railway company could look at, or the government. I think the government owns the railway corporation. Because the tracks are there, the engines are there, some of them are sitting down idle. And it's done in other countries. It's something that can work. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.